Here are some shots. The product is branded by our partner. You can go to Fry's or you can go to Best Buy, pick up the product, and watch cricket. If you're traveling during the Cricket World Cup, but still want to watch cricket in Korea or Japan or US, buy the product, put it in your home, and you can watch television from your home coming to you in your hotel room. Here's how it works. A variety of input devices. You can connect video of all sources. A lot of people watch live video for news or sports. A lot of people also watch recorded shows. People who are specific interest in nature or wildlife or history, and they've got a DVR at their home, but you're never home. So people have got, there's a research which tells us that people have about 3 months of accumulated backlog of watching shows that they have recorded. And here's a technology that lets you not only watch it, but control it and select what you want to watch. Wide choices on the receiving side. You can watch it on a cell phone, which to a lot of our US partners and US consumers sounds silly, but to a lot of Asian consumers sounds like a great thing, because now they can keep calling their home and see what the news looks like, or what the game status looks like when they're watching a 90-minute game on the soccer, or a 6-hour game given a cricket match. You can watch it on a portable device such as Sony or a PSP. What we are really trying to do here is, there is a consumer connect with the media that you have at your home. This is a personalized media that you are interested in, and how to make that media connect with you at multiple touch points. Okay, so you can use this in different ways, and that brings you the power of enjoying this in different ways. Product components for those technologically oriented. We do everything. Okay, it's an end-to-end product that you take to an OEM and say, white label this, go to the market in 6 weeks' time. Sometimes 8 weeks' time, as opposed to 9 months or 10 months of go-to-market. So we would do the entire hardware design, reference designs, for example, the entire embedded firmware, all the application software that the user is used to, all the documentation, all the don't do this, installation guides, everything, as well as the industrial design that consumers like. So the plastic casing, the industrial design, the tooling, everything. So take the product, build the whole product, take it to an OEM, and he can take it to the market in 8 weeks flat. And really, businesses are looking at partners who can give them groundbreaking products in shortest period of time. Very strong IP-based, technology-based product. We have a unique patented V-Booster technology that multicasts wirelessly into your home environment, which means if you have more than one laptop, all of you could watch the show at the same time on each individual laptop. Okay, it's a full D1 MPEG-2, which means very, very high quality. We can go up to 16, 18 Mbps of data delivery. So we can pretty much handle HD already today. And we have a very interesting protocol to connect back to your Hava device from your home. We use one of the latest UDP hole punching technologies, very similar to Skype, if some of you use Skype, rather than proxies or firewalls, because in the consumer business, who really cares about opening up your network and setting up proxies or firewalls? People get scared of these things. So we've simplified existing solutions and made it very easy. You come and take the box, install it. We'll do the hard work inside in terms of figuring out how to connect to your home behind so many firewalls across a wide area network. And as I said earlier, if you really look at the technologies that we packaged into this product, there are enormous range of technologies. We know expertise on Linux, Windows, Macintosh on one side, Vista on the other side, video compression, wireless routers, NAT traversals, internet, streaming, Wi-Fi streaming, and all of this really comes very seamlessly into a consumer-oriented interface where really the consumer doesn't care about what's gone into the box. All they really want to do is enjoy the video. Business model is OEM licensing. The value of doing the end-to-end product is that the licensing slice is fat. If you do a technology slice as a compression engine or reference design, you can only charge so much per unit. When you do the end-to-end product, you can almost go into a double-digit royalty per unit. And that gives you a much fatter margin to work on. The other thing is, this kind of technology you can license to a variety of players. Digital video is all pervasive, so you can go and take this technology not only to PC manufacturers, but also to set-top box manufacturers or to Wi-Fi router manufacturers. And in some cases, even the TV manufacturers are interested in a wireless delivery so that the consumer can just bring a television home, slap it on your wall, and you can receive high-quality television without having to tear down their wall and put cables behind the whole scene. One very interesting opportunity for us is to partner with telecom operators and really kickstart the 3G killer application. Most people using 3G are under deploying the 3G networks right now, but the ability to quickly check on what's happening at your home, what's happening on your TV, what's happening on a game, or what's happening on the news, is a very powerful, we feel, future application for 3G phones. So very many applications for the Hava business. That's our current lineup. These are all signed deals. So there are distribution relationships with Pinnacle, with the brand PCTV Go, Lead Tech Research in Taiwan with TV Infinity, Monsoon Alliance in Singapore with Aries. And you'll see at the last line we have close to $10 a unit in royalty. Beyond that, we have almost a pipeline of 30-40 large OEMs that we are working with, and soon it's going to come very close to you. We are trying to get this done in India for the World Cup very soon. Clearly, the roadmap for the company is within this intelligent digital home, intelligent multimedia home gateway space. So we'll continue to innovate, continue to look at all the emerging technologies getting into this business. And if you make Hava successful, and if you help make Hava successful, then we'll have an opportunity to bring much better products that you can enjoy in the next 3-5 years period of time. To summarize, it's one of the first products. We believe it is the first product that integrates video time shifting and video place shifting. We probably are the first Indian company to really package an end-to-end product, take it to a US store, a retail store. Product has significant market potential. We're just about starting up, and hopefully when I come back here next year, we'll give you some really good news. And we believe that as the success of product companies starts up, a lot many youngsters out there will start thinking about building products for India. So it will help the entire Indian industry really try to have aspirational leanings towards let's go build classical products, or let's go build groundbreaking products. I did want to show my team who's kind of built this product. I wish I had the Russian team and the US team also on the slide. I don't. But we have a small team, about 27 people in Noida, and we have 60 people worldwide. So it's a very small team which has gone and built this in a very, very short period of time. And that's, again, an innovating factor in this whole thing. Our cost of operation, given our global spread, is probably one of the lowest cost of operations that you can find in the business right now. And the secret sauce is having an operation in Russia, I can tell you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.